Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to add black bars in Premiere Pro. So it's gonna be really basic. All you have to do is go to your project panel and then right click, go to the new item and then click on adjustment layer. Click on OK. And then now just drag your adjustment layer to your timeline and then make sure you drag all the way down here. So now what you need to do is just go to the effects and then in here just search crop and then drag this crop to your adjustment layer. So now you need to click on your adjustment layer and then go to the effects control. So in here you can just change the top value to 10 and then you can change the bottom value to 10. Or you can just change any number. So as you guys can see, we just add black bars in our video. So this is how to add black bars in Premiere Pro. See you guys in the next tutorial.